Did you know that when traveling below 25 miles per hour, both hydraulic and pneumatic trailer brakes are legally required to have a braking efficiency of 25%? And if you're driving at speeds above 25 miles per hour, a braking efficiency of 45% is mandatory. Don't rely on outdated decelerometers that only provide limited information. Totalkare's Agricultural Mobile Brake Tester offers a comprehensive analysis of your trailer's braking system, providing a detailed assessment of the condition and efficiency of brakes on each axle. It goes above and beyond, pinpointing specific problem areas that may need attention. Equipped with a built-in axle pull-down system and a hydraulic power station to operate trailer brakes independently of the tractor, our brake tester ensures accurate and reliable results every time. Its impressive 16,000 to 20,000 kilograms axle load capacity, coupled with 1,250 millimeter rollers, guarantees it can handle the demands of your agricultural trailers. With a large display computer package, including a PC, printer, and handheld tablet, you'll have all the tools you need to assess and document your brake tests conveniently. The single or bi-directional rollers allow for easy maneuvering, while the option to place it directly on the floor ensures maximum flexibility. Whether you need to conduct tests indoors or outdoors, Totalkare's Agricultural Mobile Brake Tester is designed to withstand any environment. It allows you to proactively maintain your trailer's brakes, ensuring the safety of your equipment and compliance with regulations at all times. Contact us today for a bespoke quote.